In case you're working on an Android app from which you want to open Instagram directly, you would take intent chooser and you will ask the user to choose Instagram icon from the intent chooser so that they can be moved to Instagram and they can perform the actions that you want, that they would like to perform. But in case you want it to happen in this way, wherein you want the user to be shown only two icons which are relevant to the user, that is Instagram's icon. First one is feed and another one is stories. In that case, once they choose one of these icons, then they are taken directly to Instagram and then they can share the photograph that they clicked while they were inside your app. In that case, you will be making some changes to a typical code that has been provided by Instagram. So this is a code which has been provided by Instagram. This is an intent. Only thing that you need to add here is that you will specify the package which you are going to use, and that package should be com.instagram.android. Once you set the package here, apart from all the other information that you're providing, you also need to provide the set package here like I mentioned earlier, and you're good to go. That's it. Thank you.